I do not want to go up there. It is too high.
Today, the family is going to the airport.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a big day.
I know. We are going on an airplane. What is an airplane like? Is it big?
It is very big, son, and it flies very high in the sky.
How high? Higher than the clouds, Oliver. We can see the clouds from the window. I am a little scared.
That is okay, sweetheart. We will all be together.
Okay, family, let us put the bags in the car. The family puts the suitcases in the car.
I have my book for the plane. I have my airplane. It will protect me.
The family drives to the airport.
Look, I can see a big building.
That is the airport, Oliver. We are almost there. They arrive at the airport.
It is so big. Look at all the people.
Stay close to me, children. Hold my hand.
First, we need to check in. Follow me. The family goes to the check-in counter.
Hello. We have 4 tickets, please. Here are our passports.
Mom, what is a boarding pass?
It is like a ticket. It tells us where to sit on the airplane.
Now we need to go through security.
What is security, Dad?
They check our bags to keep everyone safe. The family goes through security.
That was easy. Now where do we go?
We go to our gate. It says Gate 12 on our boarding pass.
The family walks to their gate.
Look, I can see the airplanes. They are so big. Which one is ours?
That white one with the blue tail. That is our airplane.
It is so big. How does it fly?
The engines are very powerful. They push the airplane forward very fast.
Flight 247 to Orlando is now boarding.
It is time to board the airplane.
That is us. Let us go. Everyone, have your boarding pass ready.
I am scared. I do not want to go.
Oliver, hold my hand. I will be right next to you.
You promise?
I promise.
Let us be brave together.
The family walks onto the airplane.
Wow, it is like a long bus inside.
Here are our seats. Emma, you sit by the window. Oliver, you sit next to Emma.
I can see the wing from here.
Everyone, put on your seatbelts, please. The airplane starts to move.
It is moving. Dad, it is moving.
Yes, the airplane is going to the runway. Get ready. The airplane goes faster and faster.
Oh, we are going up. Look, Oliver, the houses are so small now. The cars look like toys.
Look, we are going into the clouds.
We are inside a cloud. This is amazing.
See, Oliver? There is nothing to be scared of.
I am not scared anymore. I love flying.
You are very brave, Oliver. I am so proud of both of you.
This is going to be a wonderful trip. Oliver is brave now. He is not scared of flying anymore. Be brave like Oliver. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to English Tales for Beginner. See you in the next story. Goodbye.